Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DAP-1665 extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the D-Link DAP-1665 Wi-Fi extender is a wireless device that helps boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to areas with weak or no coverage. So let's start the setup. First of all, plug DAP-1665 near your router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for LED lights to stabilize. Using phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for network name like DAP-1665. Connect to it. If there is no internet yet, then this is normal. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type either http://dlinkcap.local or http://192.168.0.50. The D-Link Setup Wizard page will appear. Now click Setup Wizard to begin configuration. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Choose your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. If your router supports dual band, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz, you can connect the extender to one or both. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes roaming seamless, or create a new SSID, like myhome_xt, makes it easier to identify. Set a Wi-Fi password, can be the same as your router. After clicking Next, the DAP-1120 will save all the configuration settings. Restart itself automatically. This reboot takes 1 to 2 minutes. Do not turn off or unplug the extender during this time. After the extender reboots, go to your phone/laptop Wi-Fi settings. Connect to your home Wi-Fi or extended Wi-Fi network. Now that setup is complete, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.